Wall Street was hit with another dose of cold, hard reality on Friday as America's record setting period of job growth came to a screeching halt. Worries the labor bloodbath could portend a long and deep global economic downturn pulled the Dow, the S&P 500, and Nasdaq down more than a full percent. The forced shutdown of many parts of the economy, especially in the leisure, hospitality, and retail sectors, resulted in the jaw-dropping loss of 701,000 jobs in March. That's the biggest plunge in payrolls in 11 years. The unemployment rate spiked to 4.4%. Economists predict this is just the beginning. Goldman Sachs forecasts the jobless rate will eventually surge to 15%. Predictions of those kind make it hard for investors like Jerry Frigon of Taylor Frigon Capital Management to guess where the stock market goes next.
I think the market is right now just sort of in a no man's land. There's not liquidity of much at all in the market. I think that there's been such a significant amount of selling, and despite the rally last week, which probably the backing and filling that we're getting today is partly some folks that had traded that rally and are taking it off the table. So I think right now the market has sold off so hard. It's more in a kind of a wait and see, and so it should just be sloppy, I think, from here on out.
The energy sector remained a focus of market attention. President Trump held a meeting at the White House with oil execs on Friday to discuss the crisis facing the industry.
We'll get our energy business back. I'm with you 1,000%. It's a great business. It's a very vital business. And honestly, you've been very fair. You've kept energy prices reasonable for a long period of time. We've got a long period of time with very reasonable energy prices.
Eyes were also on Saudi Arabia and Russia amid speculation the two are ready to bury the hatchet and agree to a production cut. Russian President Vladimir Putin said on Friday that he would agree to slash output only if OPEC and the U.S. did as well. A meeting of OPEC and its allies, including Russia, known as OPEC Plus, is set for Monday, according to OPEC sources. Global oil prices rallied sharply Friday, capping their biggest weekly gain ever.